My name is Joseph McDaniel, and I'm an Arizona bankruptcy attorney. And since 2005, all bankruptcy attorneys get to tell you that they're also a debt relief agency and that they help people and businesses file for bankruptcy. Today's bankruptcy question of the day is, am I going to lose my house? Well, only if you're smart. First, it's not really your house. You get to live there until you can't pay the bank anymore, and then you get kicked out. So the only way you stay is if you pay, or if you find some funky government program that actually works for more than 0.001% of the population. Now, let's think about this for a minute. If you're paying $4,000 a month for a house, and you can rent a better house for $1,000 a month, and there's no equity, is keeping a house a great idea? I frequently get to talk to very, very smart people who've been hypnotized in one way or another. If you tried to sell them a house worth $400,000 for a price of $800,000, they'd laugh at you. But the same people, once in the house, desperately want to stay in that same house, regardless of the $400,000 in negative equity. Is that a good idea? Well, it depends on the projected retirement date. If they want to retire in 2029, it might be a bad idea. If they want to retire in 3029, no problem. P.S. It's absolutely true that in some cases a Chapter 13 will permit a strip down of the second or third liens. Maybe. Someday. And you're trapped in a Chapter 13 for 3 to 5 years for that privilege. My prejudice is simple. If you qualify or can be made to qualify for a Chapter 7, scrape off all your debt, reestablish your credit, then buy a house that has a little equity already. End of story. That doesn't mean my prejudice has to control you, but I do hate to see people pay tons more than they have to for years and years and years and years. And thank you very much.